Good. So let's add some more rows in my table. So we started with connection to our database, and then we dropped a table called grades if it existed. Then we created the grades table, and once we have that, we inserted 3 columns in my grade and then started inserting values in it. So let me copy this part, Command C, Command V. Let's insert some more values in our table. Let me copy that and paste it, and paste it again. Okay. Insert into grades ID, name, and score the following values. Let's say ID is 3, name is Jane, score let's say 98. Then for this person, ID 4, name let's say Doe, score is a 90. We have ID 5, let's say name is James, and grade is 85. And finally we have let's say Tom, and has a grade of a score of 82. Okay. Now let's commit that, and for that we can have an object called results to hold the result of the following. So db.execute, I can say select star from grades where I can say, or let me show you, select star from grades, then order by ID. Let's do that first. Then I can say for row in results, print row. Okay, run it. Or near, oh, I said form, not, this should be from. Select star from, not form. From. Okay, save it again and run it. So here the 6 rows are displayed. So this is what the table has right now. These are the 3 columns: ID, name, and grade. Right? So select star means select everything, select all from my grades table. What if I want to get information about, let's say, Jane? How would I do that? For that, I can do the following. Let me copy this whole thing. Command C, Command V. So instead of this, I can say select star from grades. Let me delete that. Where name is equal to, let's say, Jane. Then run it. So I get the row pertaining to Jane. So her ID is 3, name 3, name Jane, and her score is 98. So select star from grades where name is equal to Jane. So the SQL queries are very similar to the English language. You see here we are select everything from grades where name of the person is Jane. Or we can say, instead of select everything, we can say select, let's say, ID from the grades table where name is Jane. Run it. I only get the ID. What if I say select? What if I want to select ID and grade for Jane? I can do select ID, comma, name from grades where name is equal to Jane, and run it. I get 3 and Jane. Good. I can also do, let's say, results equal to database that execute select star from grades where score is greater than, let's say, 85. And then I can have my loop for row in results print row. So run this. So this listed the students with a score of greater than 85. So if I compare it here to the whole list, so John 97, Smith 100, Jane 98, and Doe 90. So if I want to include James, I can say greater than or equal to 85, in which case James is included. If I want to get the row for Tom only, I can say where score, let's say if I say less than 85 only, the information for Tom will be printed, the whole row for Tom. So save that and run. I get 6, Tom, and 82. I can also say, let me copy this thing, paste it. I can say select name and score from grades, and then I can say order by score descending. Run it. So this gives me name and score of the person from the grades table, and then it orders the result by descending score. So 198, you see here it's descending. If I don't pass any order statement after here, if I just say select name score from grades, I get the way I put it. I can say, in summary, we saw how we can create a table and then insert values into our table, and how we can get info from our table using several SQL queries, and how we can order and organize them. In the next lecture, we'll see